What do you think when you have to bake a bread? Lots of equipment, ingredients, and mixing it right in the right temperature and cooking it in a right oven, right temperature again. Oh, it's hard. So today we are here to talk about this amazing keto bread premix, which you can bake it in 1.5 minutes. Yes. Hi guys, this is Swapna Madhukar here, and let's get right into it. So this is the Sugar Swap's best-selling product, the keto bread premix, which is made up of superfood seeds, and it's ultra low carb and sugar free. That means yes, diabetic people can also have it. And here are the nutrition facts also written on the box. So this is the box you're going to receive, in which you're going to bake. This is a premix sachet, and the box is a microwavable safe microwave safe box. Let's remove the lid and let's just get started. Now take 2 eggs in a bowl and 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of oil. That's it. That is all you require. I'm using here extra light organic extra light olive oil. This gives you amazing results when the bread is baked. You can use coconut oil or butter also, but it tends to harden the bread once it's kept in the fridge. So let's go with the olive oil, and now let's add the premix. 1, 2, 3, and premix is added, and then it's done. Your premix is ready. It's ready to go into the box and then into the oven. Here you can also use the butter paper, or you can just grease the box with the olive oil itself, or ghee or butter. That's your choice. Now we are going to just spread it evenly so that it's nice and this. You can tap the box also lightly. And then I'm sprinkling some sesame seeds and some flax seeds. You can add whatever nuts or dry fruits you want to add. So this is ready to go into the microwave oven. Now here's the catch. You have to bake it for 1.5 minutes, but in 20 seconds bursts. Now what this does is it gives you an evenly baked bread. This is the result. Yep, this looks real good. This is the procedure for any bread. If you're buying a chocolate premix bread or a plain premix bread or a cheese premix bread, this is the process or procedure. Now the bread is out of the oven. It's quite hot. Just be really careful. Let's just take it out and let's see how it is looking. Oh, the texture is real good, as you can see it. Let's cut it and see if it is soft, and the texture is right in the middle also. Just look at that. The texture is it different from the unreal white bread? No, I don't think so. You will enjoy this like any other bread, and it's guilt-free indulgence. So now you can seal the box again and keep it in the fridge. 5 to 7 days, it stays as fresh as it is. It's ultra low carb, sugar free, protein rich, fiber rich. So go get your own box and bake it to believe it. It's available on sugarswap.in exclusively. If you love our videos, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. For a wide range of keto and sugar free products, please do check out sugarswap.in or order from our delicious menu through Swiggy or Zomato if you are in Gurgaon. Happy ketoing, stay safe and stay healthy. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more keto recipes and keto foods. Thank you.